Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, signed into Photos and backup service on Wi-Fi and charging. Now start the first actionable step, open Photos settings and enable backup or sync. Once enabled, choose the backup destination, select iCloud, Google Photos, or a specific album to sync. Make sure to toggle original quality if you want full resolution copies. This ensures that new photos begin uploading immediately, so you capture recent shots before moving to detailed export steps. Once done with initial sync, export originals for a redundant copy. Select the albums or time ranges and use Shift or CMD/Control to multi-select items quickly. Choose Export Originals with metadata to preserve timestamps, edits, and location. Pick a clear folder structure and naming pattern so you can find files later. After export, verify by comparing file counts and opening a representative sample. Make sure file sizes and timestamps match expectations so you know the copy is complete and accurate. To complete the process, set up scheduled automatic backups or incremental snapshots so new photos are protected. Then perform a test restore. Import a small batch into Photos and confirm edits, metadata, and original quality are preserved. If something goes wrong, first check available storage, network stability, and account limits, sign out and back in, then retry the sync. If sync still fails, export manually to an external drive and contact support. This gives you immediate control while resolving account or service issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.